235 up. Confirmation 253.60. 253.60 up.
Okay, so we're at 253.60 is the confirmation up.
Yep.
And what was the confirmation for down?
252.50. 252.50.
Got it.
Now. Okay, back to my hole I go.
Thank you very
Thanks,
much.
Bruno.
Thank you very much. By the way, there are only two left. Today is the last day. Futures memberships, normally $2,500 for a year, is on sale. Today is the last day. They're not sold. They're done anyway. But there are two left. First two to grab them, $1,000 first year for futures membership. Grab them now. They're gone for sure today, whether they're sold or not. So grab them. That offer is not going to repeat itself. If you heard Coach this morning, no.
Never again.
He had temporary insanity and lost his mind and was giving away the farm again.
Yep. No more. No more. We should be live on all the things. Good morning, everybody. Glad to see all your amazing, beautiful faces. Morning. Good morning. Moderators, we should be up. Good.
Coach, can I make a quick comment?
Yes, go ahead.
I just replied to someone's response about only having 4 trading days, and I just want to make it clear, I am not a paid coach, not paid to put that comment in there. I truly appreciate all of the moderators because you guys have made a huge impact on my life, not just trading, but even mentally and being a little more positive in life.
Thank you. That's awesome.
And that's
love your face, Kmart.
Yeah, I love this. You guys are awesome.
And you know what? I'm so happy that you got rid of the guy that I was just chuckling because I almost said WTF, the guy that said, "Can we get back to business?"
Yeah. That's unique situation. A unique situation there. But
a lot of us were left saying WTF after those conversations.
Yeah,
So do you got a blue light special and offer in honor of Kmart today, Coach?
Blue light special? Yeah, we could come up with something. How about we do this? How about today, Bruno? Let's run a couple of Kmart blue light specials. What do we got on tap today, Bruno? He's like, damn it.
Yeah. Well, we discussed before the VIP Gold Complete Lifetime, 7,000, 7,500, and the Gold Add-on Lifetime, $1,000 off.
Thank you. And they'll be able to find those where soon?
It's going to be available in the Discord. I'm going to put it in the Discord, and I'm also gonna make sure that it's coming up on the marketplace. Right now, it is not.
Okay.
So I'm working with WAP on the back end real quick.
Thank you. And just so you guys know, those of you that have been interested in crypto, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give some people some sort of ridiculous, stupid sale just so you guys can help us start beta testing that program. So what I'll probably do is either like a half off lifetime or half off the first year or something. And then I'm going to take on 50 to 100 people in that beta program, getting us worked into January. So if you guys are interested in crypto, I will probably release that by the end of today for beta testing, just so you guys know. So if you guys are interested in that, look for the floodgates to open. I'll allow X amount of people in. I'll give you guys a ridiculously stupid price. That way, it makes it worth your time to come in while we're doing construction, and you guys can be a part of us building that like we did for futures, okay? Okay, good. Excuse me. How about yesterday, a little nuck that we were trading in our VIP and VIP gold room yesterday ran over, 1,200%. last I saw. We called that in our pre-market if you were a paid member, a regular paid member, or if you were a VIP member. Remember me talking about that in the VIP yesterday morning about the sales that they were taking over the other company, 51%?
Yep, I remember the Nut Nut show too.
Yep, little Nuck who's there. Yep. So we made lots of money on that. If you were a paid member or if you were in a VIP, we discussed this long before the market opened so that you guys could see this type of thing. We do this every single day. We have our hot stock list where you guys can see the potential for stocks that are going to move for the day. That, of course, is on it. We catch about 99% of all the runners. Sometimes, one will slip through, but can't catch them all, right? We try to, can't catch them all. Some days they'll slip through, but we're pretty good about catching all the potential hot stock runners, right, with our scanners before it happens in the day. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Today, right, we're closing in on Christmas, so that's why we're going to do two of those specials, which is if you guys want to get our VIP Gold Complete, which is VIP and the VIP Gold, both of them lifetime, we're taking $2,500 off. We've never done that before. I think the last biggest sale we ever had was $1,000 off. We're going to do 25% off of that, which is our two largest products that we have. You guys will be able to get that for a Christmas special. Also, we are doing $1,000 off the VIP Gold add-on lifetime. So if you guys are interested in never paying again, now is your chance. Bruno's going to have all that posted today over in our Discord. So if you guys are interested and you're watching for free, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Just join the free Discord, and everybody head on over and check it out. Again, as soon as we're going to open the gates to crypto, we're going to have all the channels are going to be up. You guys will not be able to see any of those unless you are a part of that beta team. Do I have any interest of people if I give you a super redonkulous sale? Is anybody interested in crypto?
Yes.
I am.
Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you.
Yeah, maybe.
Thank you. I knew there'd be a lot. There's going to be
I am coach. I'll be the first customer.
Oh, awesome. I know there's going to be a lot of people. I'm excited about it. I mean, think about it. Those of you that are starting to see what we're doing in futures, it's got to be mind-blowing, right? Who's in our futures membership that you didn't think it was going to be that great and you're like, holy crap, right? Futures is a whole new ball game and you're probably loving life now. Am I right?
Yes, coach.
Yep. I'm in their futures lifetime.
I love that.
Thank you.
Yeah, think about it. You guys get to trade 23 hours a day, 6 days a week, right? Smaller accounts are able to grow substantially by doing it. You don't have to worry about the Greeks and all the other things that go along with that, right? Mark over there doing a phenomenal job, and Ange over in the futures area. So we appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
By the way, Coach, I keep saying this. I was so wrong on my bias of what futures were and how,
Yep.
I always saw it as a high risk. I mean, there's always risk involved in any kind of trade. There's nothing to it. You've already taught us the skills how to do it, and they apply 100% to futures.
That's correct.
And just to prove a point, I know I'm a moderator and I'm doing the show, so I am biased there, but I love it. I mean, it's my new jam. I'm going to be there full time,
Right.
just doing nothing but futures. Eventually,
Yeah.
I'm not there yet.
Yeah, and
I
it's
started. I could have put a lot of money in the account to start with, but I started with $700. I've now 6x my account by doing $10 here, $20 there, $5 here, $30 there. In that, how many weeks has this been alive?
Yeah, that's phenomenal. I'll get those mics. Yeah, that's phenomenal. I love hearing that. And I know, listen, every time we open up something, it's big, scary, like, oh, what is this? And what are the things? Listen, gang, I wouldn't have it if it didn't make sense. If it wasn't something we could train you on, we wouldn't do it, right? But I knew the, natural progression, kind of like when I opened up futures, I knew crypto was the next move. If you guys are already trading 23 hours a day, 6 days a week, well, guess what? Crypto's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it doesn't close on Christmas, right? So it's kind of a natural progression, right? I get you into stocks and options. We train you. You become experts. You do the things, right? You can do all the technical and the analysis and the things that we have and how do we handle news and all this stuff. It's the same. I move you into futures. We train you the different skill sets you need, and how many ticks you should be looking at, and which ones you guys should be trading, and what to follow when this now news event comes out, and how is that going to affect, and what is the timing, and well, when is the shift change for futures, and all the other things, right? So we can get you to where you need to be. All you need to do is go pick your flavor. What do you want to do? Stocks and options, futures, crypto, all of them. Now me, I like doing all of them, right? I keep hearing people, coach is a scalper, coach is only a scalper, coach. I've done everything. I've already done everything, right? The 2-minute EWO didn't just, right? I didn't pull a rabbit out of my ass, right? Like, I've already done all this. I've already done long terms, swings, name it. I've done it, right? 33 years. I've already done, right? All the things that we do, I've already done it. This is why the moderators can train you to do what they're doing, because I've trained the moderators to get you to where they need to go to train the people, to train the trainers, and everybody get trained to do that stuff. Pick whichever one you like. If you're interested, I highly recommend you check it out. If you just want to check it out, just sign up for one of the monthly programs. You don't have to get a lifetime, right? I would recommend it if it's something you're serious about. But listen, we're not trying to force you into anything. I just want you guys to see there's so much more out there, right? And we want to provide everything we can for you out there so you guys can pick. Maybe you work weird hours, right? Maybe stocks and options aren't a thing because your time is crazy with jobs and family and taken care of, and futures, right? You're like, oh, well, maybe you don't want to do futures, but you love meme and altcoins, and what's the next Santa coin, and crypto. We have something for every single person. All right. So pick whichever ones you want. If you go to our website, I just changed it this morning. It will say stocks and options, and then you can choose the monthly. It'll say futures, and then you can choose the plan. It will say VIP, and then you can choose your plan. So there's a lot of different choices, anything you guys want. The only thing, right, the premium is our basic entry, get your foot in the door, right? That's a premium membership. You should definitely be moving on from that at some point, but that is a great starting point. It gets you access to some of our videos. It gets you in here from 8:45 to close the day. It gets you into live Zoom so you can ask questions literally all day long. It gets you the hot stock picks, the IPOs, like all the things that get you started, right? And now that you've got started, you need the natural progression is VIP. VIP is where the corner should be changing, right? This is where we have so much information, breakout rooms, literally talking to other self-made millionaires in the group, weekend training, all the workshop classes like this, right, is where you go from, rookie to professional, right? This is where it turns the corner, if you will. And then, of course, the gold add-on, right? We threw everything in the kitchen sink at the gold add-on, right? We try to add as much value and services as we can. And I know if you guys go out there and you look at other people, they're only $100 a month. Yeah, it's because you're getting $100 a month of service, right? We train our VIP gold members over 60 hours a week. 60 hours a week. Do you guys know anybody else doing that? Because I don't. Right? So before you're like trying to compare, well, if I go over to this new kid that's been trading for 4 years, yeah, well, you're going to get what you pay for. Don't, and I've said it before, don't go cheap on your dentist, your attorney, your accountant, or your stock market mentor. I didn't know what to call it, but we threw that in there. All right? These are things you don't go cheap. And don't go cheap on your paper plates. You guys know what I'm talking about. You guys know what I'm talking about. You got Christmas festivities coming. Try to go cheap on a paper plate.
Not paper plates, coach. Don't do it.
Yeah, don't do it. I'm telling you, you'll be tempted.
Ketchup.
Yep, ketchup. You're going to, everything. Yeah, ketchup. Oh my gosh. Yeah, don't do it. Ketchup, right? You can add that to the list. Peanut butter, you better add that to the list, right? If it ain't Jif, I don't want it. You understand me? All right. Now listen.
Most importantly, toilet paper, Coach.
You TP, yeah, don't do it. Don't, you know what I'm talking about. Don't try to pull that single ply TP. You know what I'm saying? The rough stuff, scratch your bum. You know what I'm talking about, right?
John Wayne.
Don't
jump
do
in,
it.
Coach.
Don't do it. Richard, go ahead. You got your hand up. It's going to tell us all
Yes,
about
sir.
which premium TP to get.
No, I'm not going to do that.
He said, I'm not going to do
Just
that.
set up for focus this today. Again, the number one thing is the Fed decision today, followed by a half hour with the interview. So be real careful about that. But what I've saw in addition to this very interesting is today we had housing information. I'm watching housing very closely. So the housing starts were pretty flat, nothing different. What was interesting is housing permits jumped significantly. The bad news of that was that 90% of those permits were multi-family dwellings. Single family was flat, and it's actually down 2% year over year. But one of the things that I'll be watching because of that is the XHB, which is the Spider ETF for home builders. And why that one is very nice is it not only has DR Horton, Pulte, Lennar, all the different home builders, but it also has inside of it Home Depot, Lowe's, and other things that are related to both family expenses and single family dwellings also. So kind of watch that one, put it on your map to watch. And tonight, after the market, and after we know if the Fed does cut 0.25, which is the expectation, Lennar reports. So you'll have a candlestick in the wind. There we go.
There
That's
you go.
it.
Thank you. Yeah, today's going to be a huge topsy-turvy day. It's going to be ridiculous.
Ticker symbol.
I'm sorry?
That ticker symbol was
XHB. X-ray Henry Builder.
Builder. Bob the Builder. I like it. Thank you, partner. Appreciate you as always. And don't forget, right, that just because interest rates decrease, that has nothing to do with home interest rates, right? Everybody thinks it does. It has zero to do with home interest rates, right? So don't be freaking out if it does one thing or the other. Bonds control the home interest rates, okay? So I don't want you guys, right? Think about it. They lowered interest rates last quarter or two, and home interest rates went up. It has nothing to do with them lowering this interest rates. I hope everybody understands that. And if you don't,
just FYI, it's the 10-year that affects the home rates.
There you go. So I don't want anybody confused with that. I've been talking to you guys about that inside of our mentorship class, right? So don't freak out on that. But today will be ridiculous. Fed meetings at what, 2?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock Eastern. So anticipate a strange day today. Everybody follow the rules. For God's sakes, today is going to be ridiculously weird. Follow the rules. If you're a new trader, you really better pay attention. If you're a new trader anyways, you guys should only be paper trading, right? Simulate trading. I don't want anybody blowing up their accounts. Real quick, before we get this party started, I want to thank all my moderators. Excuse me. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, and Happily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Palm Coast, Ange, Aaron, Richard, and Chad. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate you. Thank you to all of our military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We appreciate and honor you every day here. Special shout out to my son in the Air Force now, 8 years. Love you, buddy. Thank you so much for your service. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. Thank you. I'll take it. Appreciate you. Everybody be safe out there. All right, we've got about 8 minutes to the bell. Again, we've got a couple of sales going on. We're at the tail end of our last sale that we're running here for buy 6 months of VIP, get the 6-month gold add-on for free for the first 6 months. Then, of course, they renew at the regular rate. That sale is getting ready to end. So if you want to take advantage of that, now is the time to do it. And yes, you can only do it once. Don't try to do that every 6 months. That's not the dealio. It's just to get your foot in the door, let you check everything out. So hold on one second. I am going to show you our products and services. And it's about 5 minutes. So let it run. Keep your mics closed. I don't give a crap what the market's doing. Let me get this off so we can help more people. Here you go. So if you guys are interested in joining us, head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You guys can sign up for our free Discord or one of our paid membership. Our first paid membership that we have is our regular premium membership. With that, you guys will get access to our Zoom. Inside of our Zoom, you will have a live open microphone. You will get live training and trading starting at around 8:45 until market close every day at 4 p.m. when the market is open. You guys will also receive the hot stock pick, the pre-market setup where we go over strategic levels of certain key different stocks throughout the day you can use, and also at the opening of the bell. As a regular paid member, you will also get the IPO Center. So any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will get them first. Plus all the videos on demand. We have around 11 videos to help you get started on your journey with us here at American Dream Trading. They'll go over things like day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, the wheel option strategy, our 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed from being in the stock market over 33 years. When you're ready to step it up, you can join our VIP membership. By the way, the premium membership starts at $200 a month. The VIP membership starts at $500 a month. With the VIP membership, you guys will get access to early training and trading starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's 12 hours of access to us with some of our self-made millionaires, mentors. And then you'll get training with me starting around 8 o'clock every single day. You guys will get the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put on a workshop class once per month. You will get all of the previous workshop classes and any future workshop classes as long as you're a paid member. You'll also get all the VIP training videos. We have over 50 beginner and advanced videos to help your journey. We also have the TradingView indicators. These are an overlay indicator system that goes on top of TradingView. It will require a subscription, which is about $15 a month. This is my 2-minute EWO strategy. You guys can use this with stock, options, futures, and crypto. If you're a VIP member and you want to step it up to our highest level that we have right now, which is VIP Gold, you can do that for an additional $250 a month. Now, with all of our services, you can buy monthly, quarterly, semi-quarterly, or annual, and sometimes we have lifetime deals on these, so make sure you guys are watching for deals. With the VIP Gold, you guys are going to get all the mastermind classes for free, and we have another one coming up. I will let you know when that is coming. You'll also get 1 hour of tech support where we can remote in and look at your systems and help you get set up with your charts, etc. This is not a one-on-one, but this is to help you get started if you need it. We also have weekend training every Saturday at 11 a.m. If you guys have busy lives and schedules and your jobs, right, are always in the way of you trying to get training, well, we have weekend training. We also have the VIP Gold Lounge access, the VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support. We have our news service where we're giving daily and weekly outlooks of the news. We also have breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 a.m. with our other self-made millionaires and mentors, so make sure you guys check that out. Everything inside of the VIP room is recorded, so all of these sessions are recorded for you, including all the training that I had mentioned before. You can catch all of this in the replays only for VIP Gold members, so if you have busy lives, everything is recorded for you. Of course, we have other things inside of the VIP Gold, like the 90-day challenge, the debt-free challenge where we're helping you to become debt-free, and our brand new in beta live Apple chat where you guys can watch one of our moderators, David over there, live trade Apple with the 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed. He has made currently at this time as of December 2024, he is over $320,000 in profits that he has made using this strategy over the last 2 years. We also have our brand new futures membership, you guys will start getting training for futures from noon to 4 p.m. every day, and all the training videos, terminology, everything you need to get started in futures with our futures membership. With the futures membership, you guys also get the trading view indicators. So those are only available to VIP and futures members. Some of our a la carte services you guys can get. You can get a one-on-one with a moderator. We have all of our training videos like the mastermind classes, how to grow a small account part 1 and 2 when it's released, but you guys can buy those from our website. You guys can also get inside of our mentorship program. Our mentorship program is $500 a month. You will sit with me every Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern for an hour in a small, intimate group where we can go over larger items or just get you kickstarted, right? Can be IRAs, 401ks, SEP, anything you guys want to talk about, swing trading, day trading, right? Anything that you guys want to get inside of that room. It's just like having a one-on-one with me every single week. And again, those are all of our products and services you guys can get at any time by going to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Awesome. Thank you, guys. I appreciate everybody being patient with that. It's just so much easier than me saying that every day, right? So thank you. 1 second here. Make sure we got everything back up and running. Isn't that so much easier? I just get to click a button. Boy, modern technology. It's so nice. We're getting ready to post all of our super sales here in just a couple of minutes. Bruno will have them posted in all of our lounges. We're also going to have direct links inside of the message where you guys can click on which one you want. And today, I am going to open up the beta crypto channels, right? This is going to be in beta. Please excuse the mess. There's going to be some work, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to give whoever wants to beta test with us 50% off for the first year of our crypto. So you're going to also see that link. That's going to go live today. Beta testers, listen, if you don't want to, dealing with the headaches and the changes and us adding all the videos and all the stuff, then just stay out of it for now. But those of you that are serious and you want to help us build that community and you want to start getting involved right away and you want to start working with us and our moderators that are going to be running the room, etc., 50% off. Right now, we will have that link posted today. Do I have anybody interested in that? Who's going to be signing up for that today?
I am, Coach.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All two of you are interested in crypto?
Just send me the link now, Coach.
Thank you. I was like, wait a minute. I was like, hold on. We're going to open the world's craziest, greatest thing, and it's going to be like.
Yeah, Coach.
No.
I'm interested.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm interested too.
Thank you. I'm like, no. And I'm like,
Yeah,
I wasn't sitting here at the time I walked away, but I'm definitely interested in
all
crypto.
right.
Ding, 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 ding,
All
ding,
right,
ding.
thank you. All right, listen, here
I'm
we go.
interested also.
Thank you. We're going to have it all posted live. Let's make sure we crush this market soul today. Please, for God's sakes, for all that is holy, follow all of my rules. Listen to the sound of my voice today. Nobody's allowed to go rogue, and let's kick some booty. Thank you. We will post all the Omega sales today. We'll have them all in all the channels. So if you guys are watching for free, join the Discord now so you can see all the super sales. So these are our Christmas specials, by the way. Get in there. You can see a lot of things that have ran up in the pre-market are now pulling back. NVIDIA, for example, ran up 2% in the pre-market and is now pulling. NUK, N-U-K-K, running again. NUKK, yesterday's hot stock pick that went up 1,200%, is screaming again. Everybody, NUKK. I like it above this 1850 here. NUKK. NUK. Who's there? ADT. ADT who? Everybody at ADT made an ass load of cash off of NUK yesterday. That's who. Thank you. I'll be here all week. Be here all week. Don't forget to tip your moderators. Thank you. Appreciate you. NVIDIA still pulling back. SPY pulling back. Same with Apple. Apple had a huge blast off to 253.40. 253.40. Nuck continuing to climb. Nuck now higher highs, $21. Who's over here in Nuck land?
It might be halting.
Yeah, it's got to be close. Hopefully you guys are just making a killing over here.
I'm in, Coach. Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning. Yeah, I think it did halt. Yep, it did, partner. There you go, everybody. Congratulations on Nuck. First halt of the day. First halt of the day. Nice, nice. Well, while we're waiting on that, let's see if any of those other ones are starting to run. Oh, starting to get some volume here. CGTX. Wait for this to break new high a day. $1.32. Wait for it to break $1.32 on CGTX. Nuck, of course, to the moon. Hopefully some of you got into that. PRZO. PRZO. I like this better above this 260. But it is starting to get some volume here on PRZO. Just be careful.
Coach, SoFi, high of day.
Thank you. SoFi. Oh, yes. Yes. Woo! SoFi, high a day. $17 again on SoFi.
NVDA just rebounded. It's on a double top. Look at that.
Thank you. Love that. My average on SoFi is $7. SoFi now is $17. I'll make you holla.
Go, Coach.
Yes.
I'm in at 1340.
Nice job. She's a runner. How about PLTR, man? That thing has just been a screamer. I told you this been a screamer memer, right? Yeah. Absolutely love it. Gonna be in the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, you don't stack.
Coach, keep an eye on hot stock pick PLRZ. PLRZ is climbing. It's under VWAP, but it's rolling.
Thank you. Yep, PLRZ. Yeah, nice call. Nice call. Let's see. Traffic on this one. Yeah, the closer it gets, obviously, to 350, but anywhere around this 340, right? Still got a lot of room up to 340. You can see sellers sitting at 312, 310 and 312. So there's quite a few sellers sitting in here. Volume of 44. It did halt. Okay, 44 million in volume. Free float at 2.8 million. Good call on that, Dom. Hot stock.
Thank you,
pick.
sir. Coco called that out this morning.
Coco, beware of her call outs.
ABGO down bigly.
Caw. Nice. Some of you are like, what are you talking about? It was an old wrestler. Okay, so take it easy.
I kept my eyes on it, Coco.
Love you, babe.
Coco, beware of the call outs. Just crushing it. Love it.
I know who you're talking about, Coach.
Yeah, you did. See, old school, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Me and you, we're right there. Right there.
Maria, too. She's another one with the call outs. They're killing it.
There
Michael
it is.
Barris. You know.
PLRZ halted.
Yes, it did. PLRZ has halted.
Tesla to the downside.
Thank you. Fun fact, before I forget it, I think I was like 12. I went to WrestleMania 3. Hulk Hogan, Andre the Giant. Yep. In Detroit.
Oh, you took it way back.
I went way back in Detroit.
That's right.
Was that at the Silverdome?
Yep.
Yellow.
Yep.
That's right, Coach. That's right.
Yep. Tesla to the downside. Tesla to the downside, 3.5%. Sorry, I had to go old school on you guys, but.
Microsoft yellow, Spine yellow, Google yellow.
Thank you.
1 minute on hold time for hot stock pick NUKK.
Nuck. Thank you.
Nini, you got anything on PLRZ?
Me?
Yeah, it halted.
Yeah, on hold time for PLRZ, it's 9:39, 24.
Thank you.
babe.
Thank you.
Yeah, my Benzinga's not updating. I don't even see that in there. Same with Nuck.
Yeah, my busy guy doing the same thing.
Yeah, it's not updating those times.
It seems past couple of days it's been doing it.
Yep. There you go. Right now, just so you guys know, Bruno has just posted the Christmas sales with the direct links for each one. And we'll have the crypto one up later today. Thank you, Bruno. That's awesome. Appreciate you, buddy. So there you go. You guys take advantage of those Christmas sales. Ho, ho, ho. Did you call me a hoe? No. No, I didn't. Dawn.
I heard it.
Tip jar, Dawn, for thinking it. Just for thinking of it.
Just for thoughts.
Yep, just for thinking of it.
Cryptic tips.
Cryptics, tips. Is it just the tips?
Tips.
Just the
Big milk halted.
No, halted
Oh
downside.
boy. Oh boy.
Stop it. I've been so good.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, let's not get anybody in
Richard's
trouble.
gonna come
Okay.
for you.
Yeah,
Richard's gonna come for you, Dawn.
Yep, no soup for you. Okay, NVIDIA, double top. 135, but if you guys look, it already did the double top pullback here, right? You see it? This was technically the double top pullback right here. Everybody sees this. Okay? That means this one has a better opportunity to break through is what I'm telling you guys, right? It's already done the double top pullback. So we want to see this one have, but respect this level, right? Because it is up here on the ceiling. This is a major level. We must always respect it. Remember, when in doubt, straddle it out, call and a put, kill off one or the other. I need you guys to respect this area, though. Please don't go long on this until we get a breakthrough of this 135 and hold, okay? Seriously, if you're trying to do it right now and you're up here on the ceiling, it's just dangerous. It's just right now it's more bullish than bearish. But again, we must respect that this is the pre-market high double top setup, okay?
Just an FYI, just received message that futures during the Fed announcement margins will be increased.
That is correct. Yep. I posted that earlier for futures members. Thank you. Between 1 and 3 o'clock, the price will be increased for initial margin. Thank you. Thank you for that, Richard.
1 minute on hold time for hashtag PLRZ.
Thank you. There goes NVIDIA to the upside. Like I said, it's more bullish this time because it had already done the double top pullback, which turned into a cup and handle. Now you guys are into the long, correct?
Correct.
Thank you.
Also, first green on 2 minute for SOXL Soxel and above pre-market high.
Oh my gosh. Was that a beautiful call out? Did everybody catch that from CCD? What in the perfection? What in the perfection is going on around here?
Thanks, Coach. I'm a dispatcher, so I have to get the info out quickly.
There you go. Appreciate you. I love my dispatchers, by the way. Thank you.
PLRZ is live.
Thank you.
And also check out Micron, 2 minute green, breaking above pre-market and has earnings this afternoon. So
Thank
one
you.
to watch.
Yep. Ticker symbol MU on that Micron, by the way. MU for Micron. NVIDIA, did anybody go long on that on the break of 135 and hold?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Coach, QUBT up 5% to the upside. Run it.
Thank you. Good call out. Thank you. Thank you. QUBT, rocket shipping. QUBT broke the double top pre-market high of $21. So I like anything above 21 on QUBT. Good call out there,
Coach,
bro.
up 60%.
Yes, nice. Hell yeah. Moderators, let me know whoever takes advantage of those super sales we got so we can announce them live.
We got one already.
Oh, perfect. Who was it?
We have Mr. Marix, Marix.
Yep, moving up. Marix, where are you at?
I'm here, Coach.
Appreciate you, man. Love your face. Let's see. Moderators, do me a favor. Give Mr. Marix 1 month of mentorship for being the first one to sign up. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Absolutely. There's $500 for you. Ho, ho, ho. Dawn, stop calling people hoes. You understand me? Dawn, that's $1 in the tip jar. You called 3 people a ho, ho, ho. Got it?
I can't help it.
That's three times you said ho on our
Hit the
family
button.
on our family
Hit the
show.
button.
On our family program.
Hit the button.
Goodness gracious. Nice.
I got hoes in different area codes, coach.
Yeah. Boats and hoes. Yeah.
There's PLRZ, babe. Oh, look at it.
Thank you. You know what? As a matter of fact, Bruno, let's do this for fun for Christmas. Anybody that buys either one of those lifetime memberships today, we're going to give you a 1-month pass to our mentorship program. Anybody that buys either that VIP Gold Lifetime or the Gold add-on Lifetime, I'm going to give you a month of mentorship for free. Sorry, moderators. I can already
Coach,
hear
you are on fire.
I know, but I can already sense that they're going to be like, Coach, you're just creating work. All you're doing is creating work for people here.
You
I
know
I'm
Bruno is
sorry.
like ready to wring your neck.
He is. He's like, stop doing sales. Stop making the things. It's getting out of hand. I got it.
Bruno, should I make some promos?
Thank you.
Make the sales. I just wish we had a better system. That's all.
I know. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Job security, Bruno.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Moving up. There you go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Moderators, let me know as they come in. We'll announce them live. Appreciate you. NVIDIA now high a day. NVIDIA broke that 135. We're at 135.78. You guys can see what it did right there. Look at this. Pulled back for the cup and handle, broke through, retested, and moved back to the upside. We always talk about that, right? When it breaks through, look for that retest and bounce, and it did it right there, didn't it? It's glorious. That is a perfect cup and handle situation. Let me move the time frame, make it a little bit easier to see. So
Coach, for coin, first green on the 2-minute candle, about to hit new high of day.
Thank you. Good call out. That's on coin. Coin making a nice move. Thank you.
Ghost, thanks for the AVGO call out.
There you go. Thank you. Listen to this teamwork, man. By the way, I'm absolutely loving all the conversations you guys are having in the stock lounge. Keep it up, man. I love seeing all that. I love seeing the halls are filled with people. It's beautiful. Thank you. Soxel continuing to climb, broke that 32 key area, now at 32.50. SoFi continuing to make higher highs on SoFi. Beautiful up here in the clouds, man. I've been calling SoFi again since $7 when I got into it. I'm like, this is a $20 stock. We're almost there. We're almost there. Took over a freaking year, but we're almost there, aren't we, ladies and gentlemen?
Yep, hot stock pick PLRZ, new high of day.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm in that too, Don.
Yes, PLRZ, nice job. Yep, love it above 340 on that one. Above 340 on that. PLZR. Good job. And real quick, congratulations again to Palm on over $600,000 in profit so far this month. Nice job, buddy. So proud of you. So happy. And one of our moderators. What do you know? Our moderator's getting it done. Gotta love that, right?
And thank you for the aftermarket presence last night, Palm. That was amazing. Once again.
Palm. He's everywhere. I love it.
We love your show.
Love it. Love it. It's always dropping knowledge bombs.
Thank you, buddy. We get it from you, Coach. We get it from you.
Appreciate you guys. SoFi continuing to climb. Look at this beautiful trend line that this is getting here. Everybody see this? Beautiful trend line working its way up. Now, if you look at this, I want you guys to draw this out. Right? You guys seeing this? You see how we're starting to get into our Jimmy's vortex right here? Okay?
Yeah.
Getting tight.
Yeah, it's getting real tight here. You're going to have a pop or drop situation and any time now, right? We got to start being careful up here. And then there it goes. Look, literally like clockwork, isn't it? Look at it. Isn't this clockwork?
Yep.
You can see right here, it broke this trend line that we drew out, broke below it, and then you get this pullback, right? We talk about this all the time. And if you didn't see this on your chart, right, if you didn't quickly identify this trend line and where it was squeezing into, you wouldn't have caught this. You would not be aware. And right now you'd be like, why is this going down? Am I right or wrong on that, huh, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
You're right.
Beautiful.
You may be right, but you may be wrong. You got to be able to quickly identify these things. Now look at NVIDIA real quick on the 1 minute scalpers. You guys see right here, this respected the 21. So it broke through our 9, hit the 21, staying above it. This is what you want to see. Now, if I was scalping off the 21, which I would be here because VWAP is right below it. So if I was scalping the 21, my stop is just below VWAP. If we don't allow this much room though, right, make sure your smaller position sizes to make sure you can handle it. If you can't handle it, right, stay out of the kitchen. Can't handle the heat, stay out the kitchen. You understand me?
Run it back again, Coach. Say it again.
Yeah. So right here, just make sure you guys have your stop below VWAP if you're scalping it. So right here is my risk. Okay, this is my reward. Everybody see it?
Gotcha.
Yep. Don't forget today at 2 o'clock, Fed meeting. It's going to control everything. There's going to be a lot of scared people, a lot of weirdness. Nobody get chopped up. Listen, if you guys also find yourself that you start making, if you're forcing trades, if you're getting into trades and you're like, lose, stop. Just stop, right?
Good advice, Coach.
Yeah, what I don't want everybody doing today is chasing around a bunch of stuff, trying to get your money back. Oh, there's another red trade, but I'll just double down on this one. Oh, well, I didn't make that one. That's okay. I only lost 100. I'll just gonna do it again. And then another, and stop. Stop trading all day. You start to find yourself in that situation, stop, right? We need a reset. You need to reset your mind. Go for a walk for an hour. Just watch what I'm doing just so you can hear what's happening. You can pay attention. Stop paper trading, all of it. Just stop everything and only go back to listening to the sound of my voice, listening to our moderators in the room, listening to why we call out what we're doing. I need you to stop trading. Quit clicking buy. You hear me? Quit clicking buy if you're doing that today. You understand me? Thank you.
Hey, Coach, can you
Yes.
check out MELI, please?
Not enough volume yet. Yep. You guys see how I didn't even see what the volume number was, but I knew it by this chart? I didn't even get to the screen yet that has no volume. See it? Can anybody tell me how I identified that without even looking?
Small candles.
Candles.
That's right.
Candles on the bottom.
That's-
Candles are weak.
Yep. You see how they're dots instead of candles?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that means there's nothing happening here. We don't want to be in anything with nothing happening. Let the volume build a bit, right? The reason is,
Appreciate it.
yeah, the reason is I want you guys to think about this. If you bought 1,000 shares of this, are you going to be able to get out? Even if it was up? You might not be able to. You might be locked into this thing, right? Nothing's happening here yet. Okay? If you see the volume start to pour in, obviously that would be your opportunity. But I'm telling you, you can see previous day too, no volume. Look at these candles. Yeah, I don't like it at all. What I would do is I would flush this turd right down the toilet, and then I'd start listening to what else is going on, right? Seriously, and see if something else is going on. There's something else moving, right? Just take this turd, flush it. Don't use that single ply generic toilet paper that we talked about unless you want a finger poking through. You understand me? You know, maybe some of you want the finger poking through. I don't know. I'm just telling you, I wouldn't do that today.
That's just nasty.
So, hey, I'm just telling you. I tried to tell you guys.
Reality, coach. Reality, right, coach?
Don't get cheap. Don't be cheap. Don't be cheap.
Get the 2-ply.
Get the 2-ply. Get the OG. Right? Don't go cheap. Don't go cheap. Cheap suits. Did you guys see Rush Hour? Cheap suits.
Yeah.
I
I had to put my breakfast down, coach.
Oh, love your faces. Now look at NVIDIA, right? It's sitting at VWAP, literally, trying to make a decision. It's in garbage time, though, right? It's in VWAP. Just sitting here like, what are you going to do? What are we doing? This is still technically VWAP. This is starting to turn into a turd, though, right? We don't hold on to turds. We flush the turds and we reevaluate. You guys hear him coughing that one out?
Tom calls them toilet rockets.
There you go, toilet rockets.
Rule code, we don't hold turds. We don't hold turds. That's our new rule.
Yep. You guys put that on your bowling bag. We don't hold turds.
Target straight up TGT.
Thank you. You guys hear that? How'd we get on turd conversations today? Oh, yeah, that's right. Nobody buy any cheap stuff. Don't go cheap on your accountants. Don't go cheap on your stock market mentors. Don't go cheap on your attorneys. Don't go cheap on your paper plates, toilet paper, ketchup.
Don't go cheap on your moderators.
Don't go cheap on your moderators when you're tipping them. Thank you, Bruno. I like the way you snuck that in there. Don't forget it is Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Make sure you guys are tipping your moderators generously. For God's sakes, if you're going to throw a $50 bill down for your waitress who brought you one beer, our moderators are over here. Literally, we've generated over $150 million. Now would be the time to open the wallet and dump it on them.
Coach, you forgot. Don't go cheap on CPA.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I said that earlier. Yeah. Don't go cheap on your accountants either. Yep. Yep. Yeah. If they're at the mall, if they're at the strip mall next to Subway, probably not a good idea. Right?
How about inside of a Kmart?
Probably not inside of a Kmart or a Walmart.
But I got a coupon.
If it's $39 to do your taxes, it's not a good idea, because find somebody you can pay who will save you probably thousands of dollars. They will 10x what you've paid for their service. Don't go cheap unless you want a finger to poke through and hit your CPA in the eye. You understand me?
You're on it. You're just on it, aren't you?
We're on the next level. We're on the next level here. Yeah. All right, NVIDIA still loitering around VWAP here, just doing the dance. Just sitting here. Still hanging out. Apple found support at 251.33, breaking above VWAP.
Yeah, I flipped the spike.
Thank you. SPY up. SPY with a nice boot. NVIDIA, there we go. There goes NVIDIA, finally making the move. Yep, SPY with a beautiful. Look at this. Look at this boot. Look at this. SPY will give you the boot if you buy any cheap stuff. Look at this.
Made it off the bounce of 604, coast the whole dollar.
Yes, nice job. Yeah.
It's still right at the red to green area.
Thank you. NVIDIA, nice
NVIDIA,
move.
yep, I'm about to tell you, it's making a move.
Yep, finally bounced off of VWAP, but damn, who got scared in there? Who got scared in here?
Meta, second green, EW.
Listen, I don't blame you if you did. I don't blame you if you did, but as soon as it made the move above VWAP, the 21, the 9, hey, that is green, go. Yes? Scalpers only, because if not, you're in a 2-minute EWO, right? And if you're in the 2-minute EWO, you got in way the hell over here, so you don't even care about all that nonsense. Thank you.
Tom, you'd have been proud. I dipped just before that poll.
Yeah, you can tell. So like on the training that we had the other day, you can start to tell where where the people that pushed it up are starting to sell off into the retail buyers, and it starts getting that jerky motion.
Yeah.
Yep, and that's usually if there's not enough players in there, then it'll pull.
So you mean when you dip, they dip, they dip?
You dip, she dip.
Yep. Then you dip, then palm dips.
And then we all dip.
And then
dippage.
And then,
Major dippage.
And then we take the trips.
And crying babies in the market if we just took all their money.
Yep. By the way, I just saw that this weekend. Homework. Don't let me forget. 4 Christmases. Homework. 4 Christmases. Thank you.
Meta, new high, looking good.
Thank you. Don't let me forget. That's going to be our homework.
Yep.
Not called on the retest of the high a day.
Yeah, look at Meta. Good call there, Nana. It's looking real beautiful.
But especially that 2-minute EW that I called earlier. Look at that thing.
Yes.
I'm sorry, not quite high day, but on the double top.
Yeah, it was about to, but the
Yeah, so on this one, everybody, if you're watching Meta, Nana, you just want to be careful up here at 627 is gold level previous day. If you guys look at
on stock pick PRZO, new high day.
Thank you. If you look at this right here, right?
Yeah, cupping on low.
Yep, so just be careful the closer we get to it is all. PRZO, is that what you call it here? Making a move?
Coming up on the double top, right?
Thank you. Soxa with a pullback. NVIDIA pulling back here now. Now look at what I've got drawn out on NVIDIA here, right? Same situation that we talked about when we saw SoFi up in the clouds, right? Does everybody see it? I got the. Everybody see this? We're getting into another dangerous situation right here with NVIDIA. So this is the trend line. Okay. This is a major level of resistance at 135. You can see this is getting tighter and tighter and tighter in here. Everybody's being cool. Use your stops. Collect one. Shed when you need to, right? Shed on the pullbacks. Right? Just like this. You get a break of 135, you're going to get a nice pop because it's respecting that trend line, right? If not, anticipate a pull. This is where this is where I would shave, right? So if I went long on VWAP, I shave here. If it breaks 135 and runs, I add more. But that way I collect just in case, right? It pulls back. Now, obviously it's bullish because it came back, bounced off VWAP. That's what we want to see. But again, we must respect these levels, right? We must respect all these levels. And think of it this way. If you guys aren't selling anything ever, none of it is a realized gain yet. And without it being a realized, you're still into the paper trade, right?
Shift chance 3 seconds.
Thank you. Yeah, even more dangerous. Shift change 3 seconds. Volume going to be pouring in here across the board. Is everybody taking a bite of the cookie across the board? Everybody is collecting some on whatever trades you guys are in, making sure you're collecting profits as you go, right?
Yes, Coach.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. There we
Can
go.
you look at PLTR, Coach, when you get sick?
Yep, PLTR, absolutely. Everybody keep an
Thank
eye
you,
on
sir.
NVIDIA. Looking nice here. Oh, yeah, PLTR looking real nice. Same thing. Respecting this 1 minute trend line, but you're up here on the ceiling of 77.
5 second green EW.
So again, if I wasn't in Palantir yet, I would wait for the break of 77 because this is right here. This is just a channel you're sitting in, right? Right.
Copy.
Yeah, right. There's the channel. Basically, it's 77 to 76 is the channel. This is kind of in the middle. You're diddling in the middle here if you guys are playing around with that. Now you can see on the 2 minute, it was respecting the 21 here, which is good. That's bullish. We're above the 9. We're above VWAP. So it's doing all the things. If you are going to take a bite out of the apple at this point, my stop would literally be just below this, around this 21 here. So again, if you can't stomach the 30-cent move, make sure you have the right position size, right? And if
Copy.
if you don't allow your guys that enough space to move, the trades are never going to be successful, right? Some of you are probably getting stopped out too fast. We must have a little bit larger trades. Just know your areas. Just know your areas. And if you're waiting for an absolute, wait for the break of 77 to the up or 76 to the down, and that will give you clear coverage on PLTR, which will get you out of all of this mess. See, and there goes pulling. Yep. Like I said, I don't really like diddling inside of the 77 to 76 range, right? This is just a dangerous spot.
Nuke is pulling to the downside after the halt.
Nuck.
Yeah, nuck. Sorry.
Nuck's getting nuked. Got it. Thank you.
I was just about to say that. Get out of my head.
Yeah, that's right.
Target new high of day.
Nice. Also notice, isn't that a double top right there where it just pulled back?
Yes.
Double top, respected the 9, blast off, right? That's bullish. That's bullish. Oh, good candle. Oh, that's a good candle right there. That's a nice candle. That's a real nice candle right there. I think it just halted. I think it did. I think it just halted to the upside. You guys see how it came down? Respected the 9, bounced right back up. But I want you guys to look at this, and it did halt. I want you guys to look at this, though. This is a double top, pullback on the 9, bounced off the 9, shot through, halted. But that,
handle, coach.
yep, exactly. Yep, right there. It was small, and it's on the 1 minute, but it happened. You saw it. Pulled back, hits the 9, respected it, blasted off. Now, what I liked on this move, this secondary candle that popped up, notice it's higher than the previous body in green, right? I love seeing that. It didn't go here, go flat, start to sell, go red. You see how it went green? Love that.
Mhm.
Yep,
Yeah.
I love that. Apple making a nice move here. That was the boot we talked about earlier along with SPY. Now Apple's on a 2-minute EWO to the upside. Second 2-minute EWO to the upside.
Target made a new high of day, coach.
TGT, thank you. Great call out on that with Target earlier. Nice job. Thank you. Thank you. Bruno, let me know when the crypto goes live and we'll post it everywhere. Do the same thing. Just throw the link up there because there's going to be a lot of people want to jump into that and we'll get that party started.
Yeah, and we're confirmed we are keeping it separate, correct?
That is correct. Yep.
Okay, just making sure.
Yep. As discussed in the meeting yesterday. Correct.
Yep.
Correctamundo. Just remember when you guys do it. Yep, absolutely. Yeah, but send us the Apple coming up on the 200 here. The 200 MA on Apple. You guys are in a nice 2-minute EWO. Like to see it now break through.
Check out Tesla, made a new high of day.
Thank you. Let me take a peek. Yeah, Tesla, just beautiful. Tesla, man, it's really trying to get to that magic 500 we discussed in the VIP the other day, right, gang?
It could happen today with that Fed meeting. Who knows?
Yeah, I mean, it is really trying here. It's putting in the work. Tesla. Who would have thought, right, 6 months ago when it was $100 that it was going to be $500 for Christmas, right?
Yeah. It was like 150 something. Crazy.
It got down to 10. Well, I don't know. I was telling you guys to buy at 106. So
that was almost 2 years ago.
It was 190 this summer.
Yeah.
Yeah, 190.
Yeah, 190.
Hot
Yeah, I'm
stock
just
pick
mad. I sold
NU.
a few of my shares at 300.
The lowest this year, coach, it was 144.
144. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah, 138,
144.
140.
Because I got in
I
about
was
that
saying
price and doubled
about
it.
150, yeah.
Yep.
Hot stock pick NUKK hold it up.
Thank you. And I told you when it was 106 for the record. Every time that thing pulls back. But I tell you guys, don't I say it's going to drop 50 to 60% year over year every year? Haven't I been saying that every day?
Yeah.
Telling you, man, it's just Tesla does Tesla things.
I remember when it was 104 2 years ago.
That is correct.
That's why it's awesome if you can hold it and the dips. I mean, if you're doing a long term and hold it for when it dips down, or buy as a long term.
That's correct.
My
And
opinion.
that is correct. And who has said that every time it's dipped?
You, coach.
Yep.
You're the best.
Yep. I told you, it's the largest company in the world. I don't give a crap what the little kids in the suits say. I don't care. Oh, we're going to downgrade it. It's no good. They're just a car. Stop. Stop it. My whole life has been technology and leading the charge for the largest companies in the world in technologies and advancements. Who are you going to listen to? Little kids in the suits? Or somebody who's literally lived in it for every single day for 30 years? That was my full-time job.
Hello, bro.
Thank you. That's how it helps us, right? If I didn't do it, it wouldn't have helped, right? Okay, good.
Absolutely. That helps with background history.
NUKK unhalted.
Thank you. Didn't I tell you guys that robots will be next? NUKK. NUKK. And yes, I did a ton of work for Fanuc Robotics out of Troy, Michigan. Again, I have been in every segment, every sector, leading the charge. I already know what's coming and why, when, how, and what. Again, stop listening to little kids in the suits. Listen to people with real world experience.
Coach, I tested 13.2 yesterday. The recent, it's eerily human-like.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I drove it today. It finally released this morning, and I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got it last night.
Oh.
Yep. I drove it today. It was awesome.
Hey, Coach, could you look at IWM on the day chart? Is that a cup and handle?
Yep, let me take a look. Wow, hold on. I might have a couple of charts lines up here. Holy crap. On the day, yeah, but it's the world's largest cup and handle, right? That thing is long over a cup and handle. Remember, a cup and handle is bullish because it rebounds, right? It's usually fast. Okay, this is way beyond a handle. Look at that.
That's a ladle.
Yeah, that's right. That's a soup pan.
Halted up again.
That's a soup pan. Yeah.
NUKK halted up again.
Thank you. NUKK halted to the upside again. Is anybody in NUKK, right? Called that this morning.
Yes.
I'm not in it,
Yeah.
but
Nice work.
so I just need to ask you something real quick. So I got in it. It picked me up right before the last halt. And then I had a stop loss. I was moving the stop loss up. And then I must have done something wrong because it just sold out. I was moving it up, but my sell was above my price. So it didn't hit my sell price. I was keeping a real, very close eye on that.
Well, do this. Go to your orders and go to all.
Okay.
If you go to all, it will show you what it did. Those are your orders today. Everybody, if that ever happens, just come down here, click on all, and it'll show you what it did, right?
Yeah.
It'll tell you exactly what it sold for, and then you can try to deduce, right, what happened in that situation.
Yeah, it was weird. I mean, I made money, but
It probably hit your stop as you were moving it, because that's happened to me a bunch of times with Webull. As you're moving it, it'll hit your stop and wick you out.
Yeah, just look at the all and see what it filled at. It'll show limit price in your all, what it sold at. And it'll show what you bought it at. And you'll see what the difference was and why it did what it did when it did it. And then it'll show you the exact time. And you can look at the candle at that time and go, did that make sense or not? See it?
Okay.
So what I like to do when that happens, ladies and gentlemen, let's say it sold off at 10:11. What I'll do is I'll take a drawing and I'll go vertical line. That'll give me my candle. Then I'll take the top, hit my top and my bottom, right, or where the candle was, and then I can see like, okay, where did it happen in that time frame? What was I doing when it happened, right? Don't forget, the other thing that you guys can do, especially if you're VIP members, which tells me you probably have a TradingView membership, is you guys can replay in TradingView how those candles played out, right? So you guys can go back in time with TradingView and do a replay. That'll also help you guys to determine what kind of trades you're making, when, why, what you did. All right?
Okay.
You're welcome.
That is an amazing training tool. I use it every weekend.
It is
I was gonna
Soxel.
say it's a great feature.
Soxel right here. You guys see this area? This is a great spot for Soxel. You guys see here, basically it double bottomed out, bounced, making a nice move here back to the upside. Everybody see this? This is the stuff you want to start looking for when you're watching charts.
Okay.
Thank you for the approval. Moderators, did we get anybody else that took advantage of the ridiculous Christmas promo today?
Checking now.
Thank you. Guys, I'm also throwing in, if you take advantage of those promos, I got two big ones right there while we're waiting on crypto to go live. With those two promos, I'm also throwing in a month of mentorship to help you guys out. That's a $500 value on top of the $2,500 off. That's a $3,000 freaking dollar value today. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
Only one. So
That's
far.
$3 more to the tip jar.
That's right. $3 more for the ho, ho, and the ho.
Thank you, Coach. I'm a lifer now.
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate you being here, and I appreciate you spending your hard-earned money with us. Thank you so much.
Eyes on yesterday's resistance.
Thank you. There goes Soxel. Soxel. What did I say right there, gang, right? Nice move on Soxel.
Apple approaching a new double top.
Thank you. Yeah, and it's hanging around that 200, right? That 200 MA. Notice your 200 became your level of resistance, right? Where it started to slow down on Apples. Everybody see that? Do you see why that matters to us? I'm going to pull that up on the big screen.
Yes, sir.
Right? 2-minute EW rowers, look at that. 2 minute on the 200, and you see where it's bouncing around at it? Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, belly. Woo!
Nook is taking off again.
Nice. Look at the crypto channels. Oh, my glorious. Ooh. I know some people in here is going to be trading some crypto on that Christmas morning when you're all bored as hell after the kids have unwrapped everything. You spent all night building the things and doing the stuff, and you still got all the baggy fulls of screws. You have no idea where they're at, so you just throw them into the garage and you hide them. Maybe I can use those later. You guys know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, they always give you extra screws and stuff, Coach. I always have extras.
Right? You got a drawer full of all this
don't need that.
Oh, there's an extra Allen wrench that I'll never use that went to that toy.
Yeah. My mom's like, aren't those 4 screws for something? I'm like, nah, they just give you extra.
No, they always
They
give
don't
you
count.
a
They don't
baker's
count.
dozen of extra nuts and washers.
Dude, I have 50 Allen wrenches of assorted sizes.
Right?
Okay.
Those
Yeah,
they
yeah.
do give you, but the
Yeah,
screws
yeah.
are supposed to be counted out.
Yeah, that's hilarious. Yeah, listen, if you got 2 extra screws, that's okay. If you got a baggie full, you screwed up. Okay, let's just admit it. Let's admit it, move on. Just throw away the evidence. It's okay. Nobody knows but you. Chuck that thing. Chuck it.
Coach, hot stock peak NUKK, hold it second 5 minutes.
Yes. Everybody, NUKK, 5 more minutes.
Hot stock TNXP formed a cup and it just broke a high day.
Thank you. What was the ticker?
TNXP, hot stock.
Thank you. Why am I not seeing it? Hold on. ENXP.
TNXP.
Thank you. I'm still typing it in wrong. Okay, let me see.
It's T as in Tom.
Oh, T.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm over here. Did you guys see what I typed in? And it keyed in Pineapple Express cannabis. What?
I went on that one too.
Did you see that? I was like, what is this?
It's telling you something.
It is. Riding the Pineapple Express for Christmas. Okay. All right. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at these. Oh, Billy. Oh, Billy Baru. Look at the crypto channels. Woo! Oh, yeah, baby. Look at these shiny new meme and altcoins. Shiny Quarter's going to have a whole new meeting over there. It's going to be beautiful. It's a beaut, Clark.
Hey, Coach, what platform will it be trading crypto on?
We'll announce all that later.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask another question about crypto. Could you be using leverage or like just buying and selling?
That's up to you guys, right? It's if you guys
No,
want to
because
use.
you have to use 5 or 10x or 100x. That's super risky.
I was gonna say everybody's like 50,000 x leverage. Listen, it's just like with margin. I don't recommend leverage. I don't recommend leverage.
You can
at
use
all.
5
Yep. So I don't recommend leverage at all unless you understand it, know what you're doing, and can handle the risk.
Right.
Otherwise,
that's
just
why
like
I wanted to know if we're going to be using leverage or we're just going to be trading buying and selling.
No. We will train you on what to do. You will decide how you want to handle that. Yep.
Apple broke, double tap when you have day.
Yeah, we would never recommend using leverage on anything ever.
Me too.
Okay.
Yep.
I did it a couple of times, but I found it.
Yep.
NUKK on hold it.
Thank you, Nook. The Nook is live and to the upside. 157%. 157% to go along with the 1,200% yesterday. Nook. I think it just halted again. It did. It just halted again. Congratulations, everybody at American Dream Trading on the Nook. Good job. Who's in that, by the way? Called this way early today. Anybody in the Nook?
I got back in.
Nice.
I figured out what happened.
$5.
Nice. Yeah, go ahead. What happened?
Okay, so I have an automatic stop, so I went to cancel it out because I'm keeping an eye on it.
Uh-huh.
And it said, "Do you want to cancel this order?" It just canceled it.
Oh,
That's
I
what.
got you. Yeah, so it sold the whole thing. Yep.
Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah.
Don't
Yeah.
forget, here's a little pro tip, everybody. And then Frank, I'll get your hand. I see you, partner. Here's a pro tip. Let's say your stop is, what is this at? $30. Let's say you got it's a $2. So yeah, you'd have a $2 stop. By the way, you guys should be looking at your ATRs to help you determine what your stop is on this. If you look at it, right now it's between $1.40 and $2. So typically I will err on the side of the higher amount, in this case off the 2 minute, which is going to be around $2. which means your stop should be about $2. And if you can't handle a $2 stop, you are not in with the correct position size, right? This is why we kind of use this, because this is how it's moving, how much volatility it has. But what I was saying is, if you have a $2 stop, let's say it's at $30 exactly right now. You already know if it pulls back to $28, you're going to get stopped out, which tells me if it gets to $32, right, which is $2, I will take out the hard stop, convert this to a trailing stop of now $2, and let it ride forever in a $2 window, because the initial hard stop is to protect me at the opening. So if I was buying right here, I have a hard stop to protect me in that initial investment. That's my stop. As soon as it goes up and beyond what my stop was, if it was $1 and I bought it at 30 and it goes to 31, I will cancel that hard stop. And instead of chasing it up manually with my hand, I'll convert that to a trailing stop. So the hard stop becomes a trailing stop. Make sense?
Very nice.
Yep. And then let it work instead of me playing with it. Okay, Coco?
Got it. Thank you.
Yep. So just think of it that way. Your initial stop is your hard stop. Once it goes beyond whatever your hard stop number is, cancel that, convert it quickly, because remember, as soon as you click cancel, that thing is live and you can knife drop and be like, ugh. So you better be fast, understand your mechanics. If you don't, you're not a scalper anyway, so you're not even listening to this stuff that I'm saying right now, but you will kill the hard stop, convert it to a trailing stop, and then it's a free trade the rest of the day. Make sense, everybody in the room?
That was plenty.
Just above what you pay.
Yep.
A $2 trailing stop, is that correct, Coach?
That's what it's showing us. It's in between $1.40 and $2. So that's about what they are. That's the range about what it's moving, right? Typically, what I'll do if I'm looking for my average true range is I'll go a combination of my 1 and my 2 minute. But typically, I will side around 2 minutes. Remember, the longer the time frame, the longer the candle, the more that it's allowing it to room. But I want it to have room to breathe. But if you don't have the right position size, you're in too large, you don't allow that room to breathe, which means you guys are getting stopped out fast, right? So if you have smaller position sizes, you can let it work itself out, and you don't worry so much about those little micro movements, okay? So moderators, that's 2 training sessions. One was the ATR, one was converting a hard stop to a trailing stop. You guys can make the videos and do all the things. Thank you. Love your faces.
On hold time, please, for Nook.
Let's see. It is 10:25:08. 10:25:08. About 10 seconds. 10 seconds on the Nook. It's live now to the upside, 175%. Continuing to climb. Starting to get a pullback right here. Comes your sellers. Oh, it stayed buyers. Do you see how you got to have that $2 range? There it goes. That should have just saved all of your lives. Yes? Because that's going to be a halt to the downside. That'll be a halt to the downside now. Absolutely. Now, I want you guys to look at this. Let's look at this. Yep, there it goes. All right. Real quick, Frank, I'm sorry to delay this again, but I want to do it before I forget it. So think about it. Right here was the halt, $30. Everybody sees it? $30.81. Okay? If our average true range was $2 at that time, which it was, now it's showing $1.80, but we'll say the $2. That means when it hit $34, pulled back 2, would have sold you guys off at $32, but the last halt was at $30.81. You made the difference between $30.81 to $32. It protected you from the knife drop, and now it's sitting at $28.80. Make sense?
All the sense.
So remember,
And,
stops are
and I
there.
don't have to put it.
Stops are there to protect knife drops. They're not there for you guys to get stopped out a million times in microtransactions. It's there to stop a major loss. That's what it's designed for. Frank, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Hey, coach, you might have said this, and it's a different. It's about the crypto. Are you have a I know you're going to let us all have our own platform because you do with the Weeble.
Correct.
I love Weeble. I love what you recommend, and I want to be ready. Which platform are you going to go with? I did know that Weeble Pay looks very beginnery. There's not a lot of tools to use in it. Are you going to do the special one or the one that you're going to recommend or?
It depends. I mean, we'll probably, just so you have something on your screen, be using it off of Weeble, because remember, training and education is still the main majority of what we're doing while we're discussing what meme and alt and things that are coming up and why they're doing what they're doing, when they're doing, and all that stuff. But really, the trading style, we want to make sure everybody's on the same page. So we'll probably just say, hey, stay on Weeble, because if we can train you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, we can train you on anything across the board. Use whatever you want, right? Because you can still use TradingView and any of the other ones, right? But we'll discuss it.
Oh, okay. I didn't know we could put the other stuff in that because I didn't know we could put the cryptos in the other stuff. Okay, because we don't have the 2 minutes and stuff like that. All that stuff is not on the Weeble Pay.
Yeah, the WePay. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you look at like Bitcoin right here, right? You can trade it right off of this screen. See it?
Yeah.
So again, if I can train you inside of Weeble doing the exact same thing, you can use whatever platform you're comfortable with.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
I've just been buying and holding crypto, so this will be really good to be able to, like just play in there every day.
Oh, absolutely. It's just like like I said, the natural progression, right, is when we went from stocks and options, which is limited time frames, right, 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., to moving into futures, which is 23 hours, 6 days a week, now into crypto, which is 24 hours, 7 days a week. You guys can trade crypto 24 hours, 7 days a week, on depending on which platform you use, right? So, yeah, it's just a natural progression. Look at NVIDIA. Double top. Nice.
Oh, but you cannot short Bitcoin or Ethereum.
Yeah, but you can just, there'll be altcoins, though, that you can go the inverse. Yep. Just like we do now, everybody, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yep. It'd be the exact same.
That's what I was saying. For them to be easy to leverage.
Yeah.
That's 10 times more risky.
Yeah, big time. Yeah.
I got liquidated twice.
Yeah, again, we will never use leverage. We will never even discuss using leverage. It's not something you guys don't hear me talking about margin. Do you ever hear me say use margin? I've been here 4 years, 2.5 years live. I have never once told anybody to ever use margin ever, right? Ever.
Yeah.
So
I think that leverage is even more dangerous than
it is. It's all dangerous. I mean, futures are dangerous. If you don't have a stop and you get into futures, which is already in a margin, you could blow up your account and give away your house and your cars, right? This all has risks if you don't understand the risks. And that's why we are here in these seats, to make sure you understand the risks, right? Before you click buy. So anyways, everything has a risk.
Coach,
we're here to help you with that. Yeah, go ahead.
Take a look at the terms right now, crypto terms. You got a foundation to start.
Oh, yep. Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, man. Woo! Everybody do me a favor. Head over to your training and education area. Look at the crypto terms. We already got crypto terms. Our crypto education's being built all the way up around that. We'll have our videos, education, all sorts of stuff. Don't forget in my discounts. Inside of my discounts, I'll have where you guys can get your cold storage wallets and other things that you're going to want to find. Our affiliate accounts, everything will be over there to get you guys going.
Get you a Tangent wallet, baby.
Yep.
Whoa, this is good.
Okay. And by the way, I'm still looking for more moderators for the crypto. If you guys are interested, I want to see you open up a help desk ticket. Don't be like, I did crypto one time back, and stop. You need to know what you're talking about. You need to be involved in it. You need to live and breathe it. You want to be in it. You want to eat it. Nom, 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 nom. right? We come over there all willy-nilly. Oh, I'll be a moderator. No, you won't. Right? We need skill sets in there. Come and see us. Speaking of that, if you go to our Help Wanted section in the paid area, by the way, we're still looking for more people to do TikTok videos, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, YouTube videos. We just signed up 2 new people inside of our media access. We are giving away services in payment for you guys to make some videos for us. So if you guys are interested in our free services and you have experience, no, we're not going to train you. We're not going to give you the software. If you don't have the software and you don't have the experience, we don't have time for that, right? Not I dabbled one time and I made a commercial and stop. Stop it. I've been doing this a long time. You should be able to make a video in 10 minutes. I can take any of my live segments. I can do it in DaVinci Resolve, Face, or Final Cut, Movie Maker. I don't care. I can take anything and make anything out of anything. And if you can't do that, you're probably not going to be good for the spot. CapCut, you can do it on mobile now. It'll take you 10 minutes to make a damn video. Take the live, it'll cut it all out. It'll put up the closed caption. Done. So if you're interested, come on over. We'll see you. We want to be producing 100 minimum videos a week. I'm not kidding. I want us to pump out so much information. It's like, oh my gosh, I can't go anywhere without seeing American Dream Trading on some. It's just everywhere. NVIDIA continuing to climb. All right, I got a couple hands up. Frank, I got yours already, right?
We're done, Coach.
Thank you, partner. Emery, go ahead.
Yeah, Coach. I've been in this trade for about 25 minutes. I did 20 December 18th calls at 102, and right now they're at 124. I don't know if I should just keep riding it or pull out.
What are you in, NVIDIA?
I'm in SPY.
SPY. Now, remember, I cannot give you financial tax or investment advice at all. So what I want you to watch for, because I cannot tell you, this is your paper trading account, right? Not a real account, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So in your paper trading account, I want you to draw this trend line right now as I'm doing it.
Yes, sir.
This thing is perfectly following this trend line. Now, remember, the closer we get to noon to 2 o'clock, this market could freak out, dump, or climb. Okay?
Yes,
so
sir.
everybody remember that. Right now, you're coming up on a double top. You're going to be extra cautious around the 606 area. As soon as you start getting close to 606, if it were me and my paper trading account, I could possibly look at shedding or making sure I'm really keeping a close eye. You can see on the 1 minute, it's respecting the 9. If you've been in this for a while, flip to a longer time frame. Let me look. Hold on. Yeah, you could flip to this 5 minute, right? So you stop panicking over micro moves. If you look at the 5 minute here, just make sure it's staying on this trend line. Watching for a double top around 606. If it's going to want to pull back, where's it going to want to pull back, everybody? The closer we get to what?
606.
That's right. Why?
Double top.
That's right. How much room is it going to be? If I say 606 and we're talking about SPY at $600, what does 606 actually mean?
$6 or better.
20 to 30 cents away from 606 is how much?
605.70.
That's right. And where's it at right now?
605.70.
That's right. So shouldn't we be paying attention right now, not waiting for 606?
Right.
That's correct.
Absolutely.
Yep. So everybody be cool, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
I appreciate it, Coach. Thank you.
You got it, partner. Nice job. Great job with that trade, by the way. Proud of you, man.
Thank you, sir.
I love the fact you've been holding that for, what'd you say, 24 minutes?
At least 25.
Oh, my gosh. I love it. Love your face. I love what you're doing. I like everything about you. Get yourself a cookie, as my football coach would say, and crack me right in the face with an aluminum arrow. Todd, go ahead. What's up?
Coach, you hear from DT at all?
Who? What?
DT, the famous trucker. Have you
No, I
heard at all or
haven't.
no?
No, I haven't. She runs her own business, so I know she was getting really busy. I think she does a lot of stuff online. So if you think about it, Christmas is probably her busiest time. So
Yeah.
yep.
She
But
always
yeah.
makes you smile when she
Oh
talks.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Oh, nice job, Fun. I just saw your message. Congratulations. What a Christmas gift, huh? Wow. That's beautiful. Fun. Can I announce that to the group? Would that be cool?
Yes, you can, Coach. Thank you very much.
Yeah, absolutely. So Fun is picking up a brand new Tesla the day after Christmas. Congratulations. Beautiful.
Yeah, Coach, I have wanted one since 2014.
Yeah, that's awesome. Very cool, man. I'm excited for you. Make sure I get the pictures. That's cool.
Absolutely. Yeah, it should be the afternoon, day after Christmas.
Yes, I can't wait. Oh, by the way, thank you for using my affiliate account and saving yourself $1,000. And at some point, it hasn't showed. I've referred like 4 people, and none of them have ever come through. But it saved you $1,000 on the purchase of the vehicle, and it's supposed to give me like 500 in store credit, which is awesome. So thank you for using my affiliate, man, and thinking of me. Thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely,
Appreciate it.
Coach. Yeah, anybody wants a Model 3 or Model Y, you get $1,000 off, and if you get an S, X, or a Cybertruck, it's $2,000 off.
Yep. And you guys can find my link. I'm over here peddling everything. You guys can find because I love to get merch. That's how I got all this little stuff. But you guys can find that over in the discounts. I got Tesla discounts. I got Rivian discounts. I got Trader View discounts. I got Weeble, give you free shares. All of it over in the discounts area. Merry Christmas. SPY continuing to climb, almost up to our natural 606. It's at 605.93. You still hanging on to that, partner? You doing okay over there? Deep breaths. He's still living the dream. 26, 27 minutes into the trade. Where'd he go? Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Thank you. Don't forget, you guys, we got the massive Christmas sale going on right now, which is take $2,500 off a VIP or and the VIP Gold. So it's $7,500 to get the VIP and the Gold lifetime. Or if you guys want to get the Gold add-on lifetime right now, $4,000. $4,000 VIP Gold add-on. And as an added bonus, because I did it for one, you guys know when I do it for one, I do it for all, because I feel bad when I do that. I'm giving everybody that buys those today only a free month of mentorship. That's a $500 value. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. Bruno, is the crypto ready to go? I'm just so you guys know, I am going to give you guys, you remember, you're the beta testers. So you guys are going to help us build it. We're not releasing this thing officially until January. Okay. So construction's being done. You guys will get to see it all. You'll be a part of all of it. You guys can actually help us to grow it, and your thoughts and ideas and the things we see, we can start conversations immediately inside of the rooms and all the stuff. So if you come in there, right, wear your hard hat. It's under construction, right? Will not be official until January. So if you guys are interested, though, only for my first beta testers, I am going to give you guys 50% off an annual membership for crypto, just because you guys are going to be in there for a couple weeks with your hard hats on. So if you guys are interested again, we will have that posted. Bruno, do we have any time frame on that?
Yeah, just shot you a message. I can only laugh at this point. I can't create the product without you. So I just shot it over to him. I said that's not going to work. So
all right. So you need me somewhere to do it?
Yeah, it only the owner
channel?
can create products. Yeah, it's going to be under the dashboard. It's a couple steps, and then I can kind of, once you create it, I could probably edit it. But
okay. So why? Okay, we'll talk about it in just a moment. As soon as I go offline in 19 minutes. Apple continuing to climb. Apple continuing to climb. 2-minute EWO is beautiful here. SPY 606. It pulled back. Now look at it. It hit 606. Baby pulled back to the 9. Respected. Now back at 606. Apple climbing. Apple 2-minute EWO gang. And David, you guys doing beautiful over there?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
We're
my.
sitting peacefully.
Another glorious day over there for our VIP Gold members of the Apple chat in Apple 2-minute EWO.
VIP Gold for the win.
Yes. Moderators, I think somebody just scooped up one of our deals. Let me know who it is. We'll announce them. David over there just getting it done. Nice job, David and Eric and all the other moderators that are helping out over there. I know you guys had some topsy-turvy this morning. SPY, what a nice run to the upside. Nice job. Let me see if I can find out who the latest person was that just scooped up that deal. It was Bird. Bird. And a bird is the word. I said, Ryan. Ryan just scooped up the gold lifetime membership. Where are you at, Ryan?
Yeah, thank you, Coach, for putting that sale on. I've been waiting on that. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. We're going to throw in a free month of mentorship because you took advantage of that today too, man. Thank you. We appreciate your business. Thank you. So that is Ryan and Merrick's moving up so far. 2 people so far have taken advantage of that super sale. Nice job. Smart. Very smart. SoFi still up here, bouncing around that 17 range. Still bouncing around. Those of you, by the way, that take advantage of that sale, don't worry. We will see that sale. If you want, you guys can create a ticket. If not, we will create one for you. So if you took advantage of that sale, we will create a ticket. Remember, we will never direct message you. We will never reach out on anything. We will only do it through a ticket. All right. So nobody gets scammed by the little flim flam skim scammers. We don't do that here. Okay. Thank you. I did not mention it, but we did not get there anyways. The 300 concurrent viewers or 50,000 likes. Oh, who sent the Tiny Diney? Thank you, Rogue Ranger. Thank you. Appreciate you. Like the little Tiny Dinies and the gifts. It does help the algorithm. Thank you. Make sure you guys click that follow on all the platforms. Remember, if TikTok You Don't Stop disappears on January 20th, you guys will always be able to find us over here on the YouTubes, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch. Come on over. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when we go live with our videos and our live training. SPY here trying to break through 606. One of our members here. Who's still holding that? 30 minutes into that trade. Beautiful. Anybody holding on to SPY still? Making a nice move? NVIDIA, nice and high.
I am Coach on SPY. Came in a little late, but I'm still there.
Nice job. Nice
Thank
job.
you, sir.
Yes.
I'm out. I made 560 off that trade, Coach. I appreciate it.
Oh, Emery, beautiful trade partner. Woo! Hell yeah. Absolutely love it. Nice job. Looks like Rogue, did you just scoop that deal up? Ron? Did I say Rogue? Ron G. Yep, Ron just scooped up that deal. Ron, we are going to... There it is. Thank you. Thank you, man. We appreciate you. Thank you. Nice job. Appreciate you, partner. Same thing for
Coach,
scooping
I
up
think
that
I got
deal.
another problem though.
Yeah. You want to know what to do with all the money you're making?
Yeah. So as far as taxes go, I'm concerned coming to the end of the year. I haven't put anything to the side. How does that usually work? I don't want to get a bill for $15,000. I've been taking the profits and kind of using it, but like I said, I haven't allocated none for taxes.
Right. So here's some of the things. Now remember, not financial tax or investment advice. Everything we discuss is for training and education purpose. Making sure you check with your accountant and CPA. But remember, you will be taxed on whatever you made for the year. If it was a short-term gain, it will be a capital gains tax. If it was something you've been holding on for over 12 months, it will not be at a capital gains. It'll just be at a smaller, typically normal income tax rate. Again, check in your area, your regions, because it's different by state, right? It could be different if you're in a different country, etc. But also remember, if you guys are doing anything and you own your own businesses, you could have other write-offs, right? If you're paying for different laptops and things that you're doing, these are write-offs for your business if that's what you're doing, right? So some of that stuff, again, if it's legitimate and these are actual business write-offs, right? These are some things you guys can do. If you guys think about it, if you guys have an LLC, an S Corp, a lot of things you guys can do out there, right? I think it costs you what, about $100 if you guys are if you guys created your own business. I think it's about $100 to get started if you guys created your own business. And is there any possible write-offs that you guys have been doing for the business? Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Just saying, not financial tax or investment advice.
Do you recommend like some software program to track that like throughout the year?
Well, you won't have to do that. Just look at your P&L, right? If you look at your year-to-date P&L, if it's positive, you're going to get taxed on it, right? All of you, right? So think about it. Nate's made, I don't know, 3 million, probably 5 million this year. I don't know. Taxed. You're getting taxed on it. You made money, you're getting taxed on it, right?
That's
38%, right?
It just depends, right? Yeah, capital gains could be up to 38, 40%, but if it's not, it won't. There's all sorts of stuff. Check with your CPA. Now, listen, those of you, it gets confusing for everybody every year. Here's what I need you guys to know. By the way, SPY just continuing to rip, broke through 606, still climbing, still following that trend line that we had drawn out earlier, still going, still respecting the 9, still doing everything you want it to do. Beautiful. Everybody, every year, we start getting the same questions. I want you guys to know this real quick. I know it's getting late in the day. If you guys are making 1 million trades, you don't get taxed on that. Has nothing to do with it. One day you make money, one day you lose money. The next day you made money, the next day you lost money. You don't get taxed on every day you make money. That's not how it works. At the end of the year, did you make money or not? That's what you get taxed on. Okay? Everybody always like, oh, I don't want to trade because I don't want to get taxed. That's not how it works. Right? If you made $100,000 and it was all day trading, quick stuff, you're going to get taxed on $100,000. If you made $1 million, you get taxed on it. If you were holding stocks, say for a year and a half, you sold them, it's going to be income, right? You don't get taxed at the highest capital gains tax because you held it over 12 months. They give you a break on that, okay? Yeah, that has nothing to do with the wash sale rule at all for us. If you have questions about the wash sale rule, we have all that listed. That has nothing to do with any of that, by the way. That's only if you're trying to take a loss. We're talking about gains. So does that make sense, everybody? We all on the same page? Okay, good. Because
Yes.
it's the same questions we'll get
Sure.
all day, every time. You get taxed on what you make. Okay, good. And if you guys have questions, I have a lot of that stuff, including the wash sale, all over in our education area. And when in doubt, Call your CPA. That's what you're paying the big bucks for, right? That's not why you got them in the mall at Walmart. You're not calling those guys that do your taxes for $26 and you get a Subway sandwich while you're waiting. That's not the people you call, right? Okay, good. Right? Good. Hold on one second. But anyway, so yes, thank you. What's today? Yeah, it is. Don't forget gold breakout room. Speaking of VIP and members that are buying those super ridiculous sales today, you guys can now join us in 7 minutes over in the VIP gold breakout room where you can start to work with some of our other self-made millionaires and moderators every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 o'clock. Everything is recorded, so don't worry if you're working and you're like, damn it, I don't want to miss it. For VIP Gold members, it's all in the replay. Everything for VIP Gold members is recorded, right? That is why it is our huge Cadillac services. Yeah, look at everybody over here in the stock lounge, man. I love seeing all the conversations you guys are having. Thank you so much. That's beautiful. The community is continuing to grow. Absolutely love it. I appreciate everybody being here. You guys are amazing. I'm going to go take a pause for the cause, take a little break. Everybody be cool. It's 11 o'clock. Bruno, I'll get with you here in just a couple minutes. We'll work on the back end. Watch for crypto going live today. Beta test only. Beta test only. Put your hard hats on. You guys are going to be a part of something brand new here, just like we did with futures. And you guys are seeing the futures are awesome. We're going to do the same thing with crypto. So we will be stocks, options, futures, and crypto. All of our same rules apply across the board. I need you guys trading them the same, making sure you have stop losses on each and every trade. Make sure that the stop loss is at the time of the trade. Make sure you guys never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value. Make sure you guys are journaling every day. Make sure you guys having correct position sizes, which will allow the runners to run and stop out the losers, right? I want all of this stuff still going on all day, every day, without fail. Doesn't matter which one you're trading. Love your faces. Let's see. Did we get anybody else that I need to announce that took? Is there anybody else? I'll announce you now that is taking advantage of the sale. Is anybody else jumping in that right now? How about this? Is anybody going to be grabbing the crypto that we're going to be announcing here in about 20 minutes?
That's my plan.
Yes. Anybody else? Coco will be in there alone. It'll be me and Coco. Be like, me and the Coco making the money in the crypto.
Let's go.
How'd that be for some one-on-ones? Just going to be me and Coco.
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
Yeah, you're going to turn on the printer.
Yeah, nobody wants to do this. Nobody wants to do this. Just me.
Yeah. Well, it is what it is, but I will see you over there. Okay, don't worry. We'll turn that on. I just got to go check the back end and see what's happening. Bruno, as soon as we go off, I will talk to you in just a moment. I'm going to get out of your way. Let me play my little spiel here one last time. Sorry, got to do it. Love your faces. Give me 1 minute. It's 5 minutes. Bear with me. Play it just a moment right now. So if you guys are interested in joining us, head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You guys can sign up for a free Discord or one of our paid membership. Our first paid membership that we have is our regular premium membership. With that, you guys will get access to our Zoom. Inside of our Zoom, you will have a live open microphone. You will get live training and trading starting at around 8:45 until market close every day at 4 p.m. when the market is open. You guys will also receive the hot stock pick, the pre-market setup where we go over strategic levels videos of certain key different stocks throughout the day you can use, and also at the opening of the bell. As a regular paid member, you will also get the IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will get them first. Plus, all the videos on demand. We have around 11 videos to help you get started on your journey with us here at American Dream Trading. They'll go over things like day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, the wheel option strategy, our 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed from being in the stock market over 33 years. When you're ready to step it up, you can join our VIP membership. By the way, the premium membership starts at $200 a month. The VIP membership starts at $500 a month. With the VIP membership, you guys will get access to early training and trading starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's 12 hours of access to us with some of our self-made millionaires, mentors. And then you'll get training with me starting around 8 o'clock every single day. You guys will get the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put on a workshop class once per month. You will get all of the previous workshop classes and any future workshop classes as long as you're a paid member. You'll also get all the VIP training videos. We have over 50 beginner and advanced videos to help your journey. We also have the TradingView indicators. These are an overlay indicator system that goes on top of TradingView. It will require a subscription, which is about $15 a month. This is my 2-minute EWO strategy. You guys can use this with stock, options, futures, and crypto. If you're a VIP member and you want to step it up to our highest level that we have right now, which is VIP Gold, you can do that for an additional $250 a month. Now, with all of our services, you can buy monthly, quarterly, semi-quarterly, or annual, and sometimes we have lifetime deals on these, so make sure you guys are watching for deals. With the VIP Gold, you guys are going to get all the mastermind classes for free, and we have another one coming up. I will let you know when that is coming. You'll also get 1 hour of tech support where we can remote in and look at your systems and help you get set up with your charts, etc. This is not a one-on-one, but this is to help you get started if you need it. We also have weekend training every Saturday at 11 a.m. If you guys have busy lives and schedules and your jobs, right, are always in the way of you trying to get training, well, we have weekend training. We also have the VIP Gold Lounge access, the VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support. We have our news service where we're giving daily and weekly outlooks of the news. We also have breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 a.m. with our other self-made millionaires and mentors, so make sure you guys check that out. Everything inside of the VIP room is recorded, so all of these sessions are recorded for you, including all the training that I had mentioned before. You can catch all of this in the replays only for VIP Gold members, so if you have busy lives, everything is recorded for you. Of course, we have other things inside of the VIP Gold, like the 90-day challenge, the debt-free challenge, where we're helping you to become debt-free, and our brand new in beta live Apple chat, where you guys can watch one of our moderators, David over there, live trade Apple with the 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed. He has made currently at this time, as of December 2024, he is over $320,000 in profits that he has made using this strategy over the last 2 years. We also have our brand new futures membership. You guys will start getting training for futures from noon to 4 p.m. every day, and all the training videos, terminology, everything you need to get started in futures with our futures membership. With the futures membership, you guys also get the TradingView indicators. So those are only available to VIP and futures members. Some of our a la carte services you guys can get, you can get a one-on-one with a moderator. We have all of our training videos like the mastermind classes, how to grow a small account part 1 and 2 when it's released, but you guys can buy those from our website. You guys can also get inside of our mentorship program. Our mentorship program is $500 a month. You will sit with me every Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern for an hour in a small, intimate group where we can go over larger items or just get you kick-started, right? Can be IRAs, 401ks, SEP, anything you guys want to talk about, swing trading, day trading, right? Anything that you guys want to get inside of that room. It's just like having a one-on-one with me every single week. And again, those are all of our products and services you guys can get at any time by going to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Awesome. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dawn, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Palm Coast, Ange, Aaron, Richard, and Chad. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Same thing with all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you, Rons. That's Ron's the Good Ready. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate everybody who's taking advantage of that super sale. Make sure you guys are continuing to post over in the stock lounge. Let's get that community involvement up. I love seeing that. And I want you guys to think about this for a moment, right? If you were a new member and you just popped into the stock lounge, and if there's nobody hanging out, there's probably not a reason for them to join. If they don't join, they're not a part of our community. If they're not inside of our community, how are we supposed to help them, right? So by us having conversations and talking in the stock lounge and showing people and, hey, have you checked this out? And, oh, wow, that was awesome. And look at the things that we're doing over here. Oh, we got a new thing coming up and watch this. This is going to help bring people in. Now, I want you to think about this. If nobody brought you into the fold and if you weren't a part of American Dream Trading, how different would your life be today, right? We want to help as many people as we can while I'm on this earth. So this is a part of it. So everybody, thank you for your continued support. Thank you for all your hard-earned money. I appreciate each and every one of you, whether you were in here for free, paid, VIP, gold, platinum, diamond. I love all you guys, and I appreciate you guys. Everybody have a blessed day. Don't forget, right now we have a gold breakout room for VIP gold members. From noon to 4, we have a futures training going on. So if you guys are interested in futures, today will be the last day that we will honor that futures savings. If you want in futures for a year, we'll take $1,500 off, and I believe the code was Christmas. There's only 2 left, and it's today only. That's it for the sale on the futures. So if you guys, again, want to get in, $1,500 off for the first year, use the coupon code Christmas, and we'll take care of it. And again, so we'll be live from 2 to 4 for futures. Live again from 5 to 6:30 or 7, depending on how long she's over there. But Dawn will be over there hosting the aftermarket with the other people that we have in our room and a panel and all the stuff. And thank you, Palm, for joining last night and doing the things. You guys are all awesome. I love your faces. Moderators, I'm out of here. Everybody have a blessed day, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow, get ready, mentorees. If you guys are ready, make sure you guys get your journals, get your hands up. We'll get the questions. There's never not enough time, by the way, in my mentorship. Ever. I base how much time I spend on the questions asked by the hands that are raised. There will never not be enough time. I've already said, if we get too large in there, I will make another day for it. I've already got enough space for X amount of seats, and once the seats are filled, that's it. That is a small, intimate group, and there's always time. So don't ever say or ever think there's not enough time. There's always time. In an hour, I could answer over 100 questions. There's always time. We don't even have that many people in the room. I could easily answer 100 questions. Thank you. All right, moderators, I'm out. Love your faces. See ya.
Thank you, Coach. You're the best.
Thank you, guys. Great job today. Did anybody make any money today? Open your mics. Let the world know.
Lots of money.
Oh, yes, we did.
Yes, Coach.
Yes.
Open them up. Fire them in the hole. Let's go. Open them.
Coach, green again, $230.
Yes,
Thank you.
You already know.
Thank you, Tesla.
You already know. You already know. Green Day again. Let's go.
Yes. Yes. I love it. Great job.
700.
Yes. Beautiful work. Make sure you guys post in the P&L. Let's have some conversations over in the stock lounge. I'm out. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you.